guys, this is Chad with Mad Speed Adventures. Today I got a video for you. I recently bought a new generator, dual fuel generator at Costco. It was on sale for $5.99, which is a pretty incredible deal. You all right there, little boy? Oh, my son's crazy. So this generator is a dual fuel Firman generator. It is 4,000 starting watts with gas, 3,200 running watts, and then with propane it is 3,750 starting watts and 3,000 running watts, which will be just perfect enough to run my 15,000 K air conditioner on my camper and anything else we'll need to run with it. So I'm going to do a little unboxing here and we'll see what's in the box. What's in there? What's in there, Bubba? Let's see. Ready? Whoa! Man. So you can see when you open up the box here, the first thing you see is the generator with the quick start guide and then instruction manual. There's a cover down here, and then that's the propane regulator. So I'm gonna set down the camera and lift this thing out of the box and let's see what the quick start guide says. All right, I got the generator out of the box and the plastic off of it. I opened up the styrofoam container that had the propane regulator in it, and it's got a oil, a toolkit, a funnel, and a trickle charger for the battery. So I'm gonna take a quick look at this quick start guide and see what we can get going here. To get the generator started for the first time, you take this back panel off. It's with these 4 screws. They give you a screwdriver, and then you connect the battery cable that's right here. They just snap together, and then you fill it up with the oil. The oil in the funnel is provided, and then once that oil all the way drains in there, I'm going to put the cover back on and hook up the propane tank, and we should have a running generator. All right, I got the propane tank hooked up here, and I got it hooked up to the generator, so it's just the normal thread on fitting there, just like you'd have on your barbecue grill with this apparatus. And then the hose has got a quick connect that plugs in there, and then it's got like a power adapter piece that goes into there. So to start this on the electric start, I believe first we have to put it in run mode, which it already is, that middle button. You have to hold down this battery button for a few seconds, choke it, and here goes the first startup. Let's see if it works. So I finally got it started. I needed to hit the start button, the electric start, and then push the choke in to the run position. That was my error for not reading the instructions. Sounds like it just ramped up to full mode there after warming up for a second. It's relatively quiet compared to non-inverter generator, like a construction type. So I'm gonna do a little sound test. You can see the exhaust is over here. I'm gonna walk this way. I'm gonna walk, I don't know, 20 or so feet back, and we'll see what it sounds like. So that was about 18 foot lengths is what I counted there. It's considerably quiet. You could have a conversation with somebody. It really wouldn't, you wouldn't have to yell or scream or anything. And that's on full mode. I'm gonna turn it on eco and kind of see what it sounds like and repeat the test. And this is the same spot on eco mode, considerably quiet, even though the first one seemed pretty quiet. You can hold a conversation, Voxley can talk. Yeah, I think it's a great generator. The generator is pretty jam-packed with cool features. It's pretty much set up for RV camping in my mind. It's got the 30 amp plug right there. This is also has a parallel kit, and you can get two of these, and you could run a 50 amp camper with it, with both of them. It has this really nice start guide, and it's got instructions for gas, instructions for propane, stopping, troubleshooting, things like that. It's a nice little thick all-weather proof card that's got the metal grommet in there, so I don't think it's going anywhere. That's really convenient. It also has shows you your volts and your hours whenever it's on. That's super convenient for oil changes. And then it's got handles on both sides. I think it weighs about 110 pounds. And then it has a handle right here. And it's got the wheels, so you can pick it up and wheel it pretty effortlessly. We plan on using this generator in the next few months camping, so I'll be sure to put up a follow-up video on the performance of the generator. Thanks for stopping by.